Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the default font in the Excel textbook box. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many sheet. Now we want to change the default font in Excel text box. At first, go to the file menu. Now I am go to the option menu. Then select the general option. Then we can see here the use the as the default font. Now I am change the default font. Now I am select the default font Arial narrow. Then you can change the size. Now I am make 11. Then click OK. Then we can see please close the restart Microsoft Excel so that font change can take effect. Now I am click OK. Then close the Excel. Then click save. Then again open the file. Click the open option and open the file. Then go to the insert menu and select the text box and draw a text box. Now we can see here the font size is Calibri. You can write anything. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.